Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers. Your primary objective is to outrun the inspector and his dog across endless train tracks. The game uses intuitive swipe controls. Swipe left or right to change lanes, up to jump over obstacles, and down to roll under them. As you run, collect as many coins as you can and grab various power-ups to help you on your journey. It's all about quick reflexes and strategic movement. Mastering movement is key to a long run. Swipe left or right to navigate between the 3 lanes, dodging stationary obstacles. A quick swipe up will make your character jump over barriers and small carts. Conversely, swipe down to roll under taller obstacles like signs and train cars. Remember, the game speeds up, so quick reactions are essential to avoid crashing into those fast-approaching trains. Power-ups are your best friends in Subway Surfers. The coin magnet pulls all coins towards you, while the jetpack lets you soar above the tracks, collecting coins safely. Super sneakers give you super high jumps to clear large gaps. Don't forget the score multiplier, which significantly boosts your points. Collect these to extend your runs and maximize your score, making each game more exciting and rewarding. To achieve truly high scores and progress, focus on upgrading your power-ups. This makes them last longer. Always complete daily challenges and weekly hunts for valuable rewards like keys and coins. Use these to unlock new characters and hoverboards, which can offer special advantages. Most importantly, consistent practice will sharpen your reflexes and improve your ability to anticipate obstacles, leading to much longer and more successful runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.